Samsung Galaxy S23 series cases has been leaked, plus we have the confirmation for the RAM and the storage option coming for the S23 series. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, since from the last couple of days we are hearing multiple reports for the S23 series devices, and today is not different because some new leaks has been emerged for the S23 series. And there is another leak coming for the S23 series, and it is regarding the cases of the upcoming S23 series devices. Basically, the Snoopy tag on Twitter has shared some images of the cases for the S23 Ultra, S23 and S23 Plus, which give us a pretty much good idea what design of the S23 series could be looking alike. Well, S23 has compared both the S22 and S23 Ultra cases with each other, and definitely looking at both of these cases, you will notice that the camera sensor on the S23 Ultra are going to be a little bit bigger as compared to the S22 Ultra. So definitely this means that we will getting more light and the night photography is going to be much more enhanced. We have a 200 megapixel camera sensor. Other camera sensors are also going to be upgraded just because of the new large sensor. So definitely the performance will be better in terms of the camera department. Other things include a satellite connectivity feature for the S23 series. According to this new leak that is coming for the S23 series, is based on the base storage option that is 100% confirmed by three different Twitter leakster, Ahmed, Ice and the Snoopy tag. All of them are saying that we have the 8GB and 256GB of internal storage, plus we have another 512GB variant for the S23 and S23 Plus, whereas the S23 Ultra is going to be packing the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, 12GB of RAM with 256, 512 and 1TB of option available for the S23 Ultra. To be honest, this is going to be a big upgrade because it is going to be giving you a much more storage with similar pricing as the last year S22 series. Now, there are rumors that we are actually going to see 128GB variant storage for the S23 and S23 Plus, but I believe that the base storage will be sold in most of the countries. Only few countries could be coming with 128GB of internal storage option. Now, the leak also confirmed that we have the LPDDR5X RAM option for the S23 series, and it's going to be 50% faster than the last year LPDDR5 coming in the S22 series. So definitely it's going to be a big jump in terms of the RAM option. Now, the storage option is not behind either because we are going to see a UFS 4.0 storage option, which is also going to be 2 times faster than the last year UFS 3.1 storage. So definitely this is going to be a big win for the S23 series because it's not only going to be coming with a better RAM and the storage option, but we also have another good news, that is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is a special variant coming for the S23 series. So definitely this means that the performance of the device will be much more enhanced. And this new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be bringing 40% of CPU improvement, 45% of GPU improvement, and 40% of power efficiency, which definitely means we are going to see some major improvements in the performance department as well. Plus we have the new cooling system, which means that the throttling problems could be solved using that new cooling system. As far as the launch date and pricing is concerned, we are going to be seeing the similar pricing for the S23 series just like the S22, and also the launch date has been accidentally confirmed by Samsung on their website, and it's confirmed that February 1st is going to be the launch of the S23 series. Also, we have another leak which is recording the pre-order deals for the S23 series, which is going to be coming with a Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is coming in some markets, and Galaxy Watch 4 will be coming in some other markets. And some markets will be giving you a $50 or $200 credits. You can choose to buy anything. And guys, I'm super excited about the S23 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.